This workshop brought out some deep wounds that I had thought I had worked on, and they came up and I hadn't really worked on them. So it allowed me to reprocess it again and gave me the clarity and the strength to move forward past it and feeling more aligned with what I was doing. Well, I hate to say that it is all about Tina, because I have admired her since the day I met her years ago, and she has such a passion and such a desire to help others to serve them that I just want more of what she has to offer. And I really felt that I have a story to tell, and my mission is to spread around the world on stages that you don't have to suffer with grief. And it's not a life sentence, but it damn sure is a life changer. And that was why I decided to do it. Because it pulls you into realizing that life is full of us sharing what we have to offer, because you never know what life you can touch and change and make their struggle a little less.